The new railroad ambush detector, now in service in Vietnam, precedes a train and senses any tampering with the tracks. Among the innovations which strip the enemy of the cover of darkness are the spotlight-equipped helicopters called fireflies, which are exposing enemy night activities to gunships. The extensive use of helicopters and the dependence on heliborne operations has been one of the truly revolutionary developments of this war. During 1967, 2 new Army helicopters were introduced into Vietnam. The Huey Cobra is providing a greatly increased capability for armed escort of air-mobile columns and close-in direct fire support for ground forces. And the Army's new Cayuse is a far superior light observation helicopter.